Hey guys, my name is Tatyana and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on the mini twist. I did these like so long ago, but I don't think I ever filmed them. If you have me on Snapchat, then you saw that I've been rocking this style for the past few days. So that's just what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So for my hair products, I'm going to be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss line, and my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned with the deep conditioner. I spoke about these products in my last video, I believe, so definitely go check that out if you haven't already. I'll link that below. And I'm just applying the leave-in all throughout my hair and then sectioning off my hair. We're going to be sectioning our hair into 3 sections, and this is the first one, and this is pretty easy. I'm just taking the gel and just working that all throughout the section. You want to make sure your hair is really detangled and your hair is pretty wet, not like soaking, but it's like there's a good amount of wetness to it. So then I'm going to be taking the 24-hour edge control, and I really love this edge control, and I didn't do this to every single strand, but majority of the strands I took like a little and like slicked down my roots and kind of just slicked down the twist as I went. And basically what you're just going to do is section your hair into itty bitty sections and twist. If you don't know how to twist your hair, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just using 2 strands, but yeah. I just did this very messy. I didn't like section off into like certain sections and do this really neat. I just kind of grabbed and twisted, and I'm sorry if me rocking back and forth annoys you. That's just what I do to like keep, I don't know. I just rock back and forth a lot. Yeah, so we're just gonna watch me twist my hair, and you want to make sure when you're twisting that you're grabbing small sections. I chose different size sections. I did really small ones and then I did bigger ones, but I didn't do really big ones because once your hair is dry, the twists do get bigger and they enlarge, I guess. They're not like shrunken up anymore. This hairstyle took me about 3 hours, but I was pretty distracted. Usually I could just do this in 2 hours, but you saw like I was messing with my computer, listening to music, on social media, so yeah. And after you finish twisting, then this is what they look like. They're really cute. So yeah, you get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm just twisting, you know, like it's nothing special. I'm not doing anything. I'm literally just grabbing hair and twisting it. So fast forwarding, I'm just going to do the last front section on camera. You could see half of my head is almost done. And once I got to the front, I pulled down all my baby hairs that I didn't want twisted. I like a lot of baby hairs out, so I took them out and I started twisting. And especially in the front of my hair, this is when I applied the edge control a lot, just to make sure like my hair was like gripped, if that makes sense. And I made sure these were tight. Like, I really make sure that was my main goal when doing the front of my hair. I really love this hairstyle because, like, it just stops me from having to do my hair, having to, like, do all this extra stuff to my hair because my hair is already done. The twists don't go anywhere, especially because I use a control jelly and it kind of, like, molds them into the twist. But your hair is not, like, crunchy, like, after you sleep on it and everything, you know? So I plan on leaving in these twists for about a week, and then I will be back with like the takedown video. I'm excited to take these out because like the twist out is just gonna be so bomb. So yeah, you guys could sit back and chill and just watch me twist my hair, and I will be back when I'm all done. So guys, I am all done after 3 hours, and these are what the twists look like. One side is dry, so one side is more shrunk than the other, and the other side's longer, so that's that. But yeah, I really love this hairstyle. It's a super cute protective style. If you try this, please let me know. And yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave in the comments below what you'd like to see next. And yeah, I love you all, and goodbye.